In this video, I'll show you how to fix Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome keeps crashing or freezing after the latest Windows 11 update. Press Windows plus R to open the run box. Type this command and press Enter %local app data %. Now let's fix each browser for Microsoft Edge. Open the folder named Microsoft Edge. User data. Find the folder called Default. Right-click it and rename it to default.old. This disconnects Edge from the corrupted data that's causing crashes. If you've seen pop-up that try again, then go to Start, right-click and click on Task Manager. Go to the search bar and type Edge and choose End Task. And then go back and rename it. Close File Explorer and launch Edge again. For Google Chrome, go back to the local folder and open Google Chrome. User data. Rename the default folder to default.old just like before. Relaunch Chrome. If crashes continue, open Settings. Go to Apps. Installed apps. Find Microsoft Edge. Click the three dots and choose Modify. When the setup window appears, select Repair. That's it. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe.